In this video, I'll show you the safest way how to download and install MovieBox on laptop or PC, so you can start watching your favorite content on a bigger screen in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Now click the search bar. Type MovieBox download for PC, then press enter. Before downloading anything, check whether MovieBox is available on the Microsoft Store. If you find it there, click install and use that version, since it's generally the safest and easiest way to install Windows apps. If it isn't available, simply return to your search results and continue to the next step. Now open the official MovieBox website, if one is available. If you're unsure which website is official, avoid downloading from random sites, as they may contain modified or unsafe files. Once you're on the correct website, click the download button. Wait for the installation file to finish downloading. When the download is complete, open the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Then simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation finishes, open MovieBox from your desktop or the Start menu. You can now sign in, if required, and start using MovieBox on your PC. If everything is working and you successfully installed MovieBox, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I upload simple step-by-step Windows, Android, iPhone, and software tutorials to help you solve tech problems quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.